Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different. My little sister and I decided to put up a Christmas tree and surprise our mom. They didn't have time to put their Christmas tree up yet, so I went there on Saturday because my mom was working and we did it together. I didn't plan on filming that, but then I decided I will because it will be a great memory to look back in a couple of years. First I'm going to tidy up a bit and then we are going to start putting the Christmas tree. I didn't worry about changing the angles too much in this video because I didn't want to focus just on filming.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.
Now that this tree is finally standing, we are going to put on the lights and we also decided to put up this red bead garland.
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas we're gonna dance.
We're gonna
okay?
dance, dance, dance,
Come
dance,
on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here.
We didn't find all Christmas tree decorations, so the tree doesn't look perfect at the end, but we worked with what we had. We had some gold and red and also a lot of homemade decorations. My mom is really talented and creative, so she's been making a lot of decorations herself since I can remember.
It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish, and as we decorate the tree, only you and me. I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just what to do. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through
Now we are just collecting all the empty boxes and all the decorations that we didn't use, and then we also decided to do something else, and you will see it in a minute.
and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. I'm trying to tell you. Wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. Everywhere. I'm no longer going away.
going to dust this space here, and I decided to put up a few decorations up here near this picture of my dad. I don't think that I ever talked about him, but he passed away because of cancer in 2015, and I just wanted to put up a couple decorations up here to make it a little bit more festive.
Climb down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
I will also dust this TV stand and vacuum the floors at the end.
Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day.
And that is everything for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I really wanted to capture this on camera just because I wanted to have this memory, and now that I have a YouTube channel, I can actually save it so I don't forget about it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!